Hey, what's up everybody? It's your boy Mac TheWiseSole, and I'm back with another video. So today's video, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox one item, and I'm gonna go ahead and do an overview review of a shoe that released about a week ago. You know, a lot of videos on this shoe are already out. I opened mine kind of late, but nevertheless, I'm gonna go ahead and just, give you that TheWiseSole score and let you know how I feel about the shoe. But before we go ahead and do all that, we gotta go ahead and pay the bills on the channel. So the first thing I'm gonna need you to go ahead and do for your boy is go ahead, hit that subscribe button down below. Also hit that notification bell. Also don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. And if you get down in those comments, go ahead and get down in them and leave a comment on what you think about the video. If you want to say what's up to your boy, whatever, I'm gonna go ahead and always get back to y'all in the comments below. Also, you can follow your boy on Instagram, which is down below. It's at TheWiseSole. You know I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna throw it on the screen somewhere. It's gonna pop up somewhere, here, there, anywhere. It'll be there. So make sure you follow me on Instagram as well. I'll make sure I follow back to y'all and shoot your boy a message. Let me know, hey, you watched the video, you just saying what's up. I'm gonna get at y'all. So nevertheless, let's go ahead and get into the video. So first things first, I could go ahead and get into the shoe, but we'll save the shoe for just a little bit longer because we don't want to get right into it. I'm pretty sure I know what this is already, so I'm gonna go ahead and open that and we'll take a look at it together. So alright, so we go ahead and got the box open. Let's go ahead and pull it out, see what we got here. Let's put this down here, and it kind of is what I think it is. Alright, so let's go ahead and pull this out once again. Alright, and it is what I thought it was. Here we are, the SneakerHead Clothing line exclusive 5950 New Era hat, SneakerHead hat right here. As you guys can see, I'll get a little close up on that. You got sneakers in dope colors here. Obviously, SneakerHead hat, New Era. Again, this hat was released by SneakerHead Clothing line. I'll go ahead and make sure I put the link down in the description to the website. I know it was exclusive. I don't think they have anymore. I know the homie Rep Milwaukee 414. That's his company, and he had put it out there on Instagram and for everybody who was interested in copping. And I made sure I had to support, I try to support as many small businesses as possible, especially during this time. We ain't all got money like that. Obviously, we buy Nike and Jordan or whatever. But if I know people in the community and they're selling something and I can afford it at that time, I try to do my best to support. And so again, we have a SneakerHead hat here. For all the sneakerheads out there, you definitely want to make sure you have a dope hat like this. And it's funny that the colors in this hat are actually going to be pretty similar to what I have here in the box in the shoe. But again, you can go ahead and check the website. They might release some more later. I don't know if they have more. Again, SneakerHead Clothing line. I'll put their information down below in the description and their website. Go ahead and take a look. They also have shirts, laces. They have a whole bunch of things that are in the sneakerhead culture. So if you're interested in copping anything, go ahead, get over there. And know this is not a paid promotion from SneakerHead Clothing line. But if y'all want to get with your boy, I'm available. So, just letting you know. And here we go. We have a Nike Air Jordan 1 box, classic silhouette, the red Nike check branding, the black box. You already know what it is. Let me go ahead and read off the color spectrum to you. The label on this box reads Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. Color spectrum Baroque brown, razor pink, black. It's either Baroque. It's something like that. But when you see the shoe, you'll know what I'm talking about based off the color spectrum. You probably know what I'm talking about. Shoe size 12. Retail price $170 US. As you know, I'm gonna go ahead and give you that information right here. You can see here it focuses, and bam, there you go. $170 US. Again, size 12, which is my size. Now that we got that out the way, let's go ahead and take a look at the shoe. And here we are, the Jordan 1 Biohack. This shoe right here is different. Alright, let me go ahead and give you a close look right here. Take a look. This shoe is definitely different. So let me go ahead and just give you the quick story of what happened with this shoe. I went ahead and went for this shoe on Sneakers app, and I actually hit. The funny thing is, I totally didn't expect to hit on this. Like, I woke up, I was like, these are gonna be crazy limited. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in and see what happens. But I didn't expect to hit. And I'm gonna tell you right now, just looking at the shoe, this Jordan 1 is different. I've seen a couple videos, I've seen pictures, but when you have this shoe in hand, first off, the materials are definitely A1. The quality on this shoe is amazing. You got that classic Jordan 1 silhouette. Comes with a spare set of laces here. It looks like these are racer pink laces. This shoe, yeah, it's different. And like I mentioned in some of my other videos, I am completely into loud sneakers. Like, I will definitely dull down my outfit just so my sneakers can pop even more. And this is something I definitely would like to have on foot. It's different. Like I said, the material is great. This is like a nice, so just putting my hands on it, pause. The materials are different on different levels. Like this, like navy blue material right here feels a little bit different than this black suede here. This black suede feels amazing. Like, it definitely feels amazing. This is definitely a nice high quality shoe here. On the back side, you have that nice brown suede here. It feels great as well. You have the Jordan Wings logo right there in black. On the midsole here, so this midsole is interesting to me. If you look, the camera picks it up, you can see it's not white, it's not sail, it's kind of has a green tint to it. And it kind of reminds me, like when I was younger, and my mom would make me go cut the grass, like when it just rained, maybe like the day before or something, and I had some sneakers on. This is what your shoe, your midsole would look like after you cut the wet grass. It'd have that dingy kind of green look to it. And it actually makes this shoe stand out even more. It's something I definitely like. We have that black outsole. As you saw in my last video, I definitely don't like all white outsole, so having an all black outsole definitely helps. Again, I can rock an all white outsole. It doesn't really bother me that much, but it does bother me. So again, the colors included on this here, you have racer pink, which is inside. If you can kind of see inside there, you have the insole. It looks like it's a, I want to say like a Miami Vice kind of blue with a razor pink right there. Your tongue, you have a nice orange tongue here with a different Jordan 1 tab. Obviously, you don't have the regular Jordan 1 tab on there. This shoe kind of gives you a little off-white vibe to it. The distressed look here, like I said, on the tongue, it's open and exposed. This tongue definitely feels different. It's more stiff. Pause. You know, the toe box, I love this color on the toe box. It's blue. Blue is one of my favorite colors. Any shade of blue. This is more like a turquoise blue. I definitely like these. Overall, I think this shoe really should get a nice mark on this shoe. Definitely don't plan on rocking it anytime soon, but when I do, it's definitely going to be for a nice special occasion. I'm just rambling on because I really like looking at the shoe, and the feel of the shoe is amazing. Another thing I like about that, as you see here, the green midsole again, it has another pop of green here on one of the eyelids, on the upper eyelids, which again kind of gives you that off-white vibe or that rookie of the year vibe. So that shoe, that's dope in itself right there. I mean, literally, I got the perfect hat to go with this right now. So, you know, this might be the thumbnail. So it's don't judge me on that. So again, I think this shoe is dope. I'm gonna go ahead and do this. Let's go ahead and get you guys out of here. I don't want to make this video too long. Again, like I said, this video or this shoe's been out for about a week or so there are plenty of videos on there. I'm gonna go ahead and give you the TheWiseSole marking and grade for this shoe. As you know, I have a 7-point scale, 6 and 7 being this is a must cop. So on my TheWiseSole scale, I'm gonna go ahead and give this shoe, the Jordan 1 Biohack, I'm gonna give this a 5 out of 7. It's definitely a shoe that you want to have in your collection. If you were a Jordan 1 fan, this might even bump up to a 6 or a 7. But for me personally, it's definitely a 5. If I didn't get this shoe, I would have been okay. But the fact that I did get it and I got it for retail, I am definitely happy and blessed about that. And I'm definitely going to make sure I keep this in the collection for a long time. So let me know in the comments below, how you planning on rocking these shoes? Were you able to pick up your Jordan 1 Biohacks? Also, you're going to do a lace swap. Are you going to bring in some other laces, maybe like a set of orange laces, maybe a turquoise blue or navy blue, or a pair of white laces? How are you going to rock your Jordan 1 Biohacks? Let me know down in the comments below. You have the Jordan 1 Biohack. You have the SneakerHead Clothing line New Era Collab hat. You got your boy Mac TheWiseSole. And remember, stay humble, stay hungry, stay wise. Gang.